All right, I just got one of the more popular toys for Christmas. And let me just show you here. You can take a screenshot of this if you want to. And that's basically it. And look right here, what they say. It's hilarious. So anyway, got it out of the box. It comes with directions. It comes with this, which you can look, I'll get it up there close. You can do a screenshot and you can go ahead and check out this QR code where they have a video explains it all. USBs that you see for Android phones, which I have one here, which I can use to charge my, boomerang ball, I guess you would call it, from the computer. So we don't really need this. It doesn't come with a block, so you need a block. So you're gonna see this and it's gonna have an up and then it's gonna have this. You're gonna notice that there's some lights right here and you're gonna find your USB up top here. So to get the thing to turn on or to charge it, you plug it in there, of course. So if we wanted to charge it, we would just grab it like this. You've got to look at this and make sure that you've got the curved end on the right part, and it's kind of difficult to do, actually. There it is. And when you first do it, it's going to be red. And then when it turns green, it's ready to go. It takes about, if it's completely without a charge, it's going to take you about 20 minutes to charge it, and it will run for 7 minutes on a charge. All right, so as you can see, we came back a couple minutes later and it's fully charged. See how it's all green there? It's got like this big, nice green light in there. So now all we got to do is unplug it. When we do, what's going to happen is the light will go out. And like I said, it's kind of hard to get. That thing snaps hard in there. So if you see, there's your port, and you can see it's not really engineered that well. And then over here's your button. So you got to move it and hold it with your finger, then reach in and press it. Now it's ready to go, and then you just shake it. There she goes. All right, we're going to try a move called the boomerang, where I point this towards me, and then I throw it out. Now, this is supposed to be the signature move, right? Here we go. Here we go. Oh, shit. That happened. Sometimes when it gets away from you and it hits the wall, it turns off, which is kind of good, so it doesn't just keep on banging against everything. Here we go. Boomerang. So you can play with this by yourself. See how close I can get it. Oh shit, there it goes again. All right, so that's kind of how it works. Now you could play catch with people. Like if I had somebody over there, I could throw it to them. Check it out, there it goes. Oh, shit. Got it. Boop. Turn it over. Turns it off. And then you got to remember, you have to press this button in here. Otherwise the light will stay on. That's it. Bam, done. Okay.